Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We've been working on this 2020 Outback. We've done this front seat belts, the knee airbag, front end parts, tail lights, rear bumper. We've pretty much been working on this car to get back to a condition where we can put it back on the road. We only got these rear seat belts left. They're locked up. I can't get to the bolt from here, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this without cutting anything else. Very carefully. Get a really sharp razor blade. This one is not sharp at all, but it's working. The foam will go back to normal, I promise you. There's a 14 right here. It needs to come out. I think we can probably put it on the gun. And you guys watch the video on how to take the rear seat out, because the rear seat has to come out, and this cover needs to come out to get this out. And the reason why it's already out is because I've had to replace all of these. So if you're replacing these, you will be replacing these, because when the fronts go, the rears go, they all go together. So you'll probably be in the same position I'm in. So yes. Now, I've never replaced one of these on this car, the rears at least, so I don't know what to expect. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock these guys, bring them down this way, and looks like this cover comes off, which is cool, but oh man, oh boy, this is a big job. The whole rear has to come apart. Oh man, that sucks. Okay, Corey, we gotta go back there. I gotta get to these seat belts up here. You gotta take these guys off, and I don't know what's what. I've never taken one of these off, so I'm just kind of. I'm hoping that this section comes off just by itself, which would be nice, but I don't know. I think it does. I think they made it like that so you can get this section out. Okay, there's nothing in there. I wonder what's in here. Okay, there's nothing in here. Okay. I know there's something in here. I've seen screws down in here. Okay, let's do this. I want to see what the layers look like. Okay, so this piece is all one piece, so all this has to come out. Here's your other tray. There's these little clips that hold these guys in. These guys. I'm gonna do both sides together. Slide these guys out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the clips and screws right there in the middle. This guy has to come out. It's just, they're all mainly clips up to this point, and then these guys all require a 10. There's these little covers right here. There's a 10 right here. There's 4 of those. There's one more over here. Now, these little clip thingies that hold stuff together, there's little black screws that go all the way inside them. On both sides. Okay, then you can grab right here and just kind of pull. See how far things are going. Okay. There's a screw for that. I wonder if there's... This is separate. It is separate. Separate to that. Cold and these plastics don't like each other. There's probably another pull these out. There's another screw right here. Okay, you make sure you get these guys out because there's another. There's a 10 right here on this handle. There's a 10 that goes right there, and that needs to come out. Okay. And I'm almost thinking that this guy's need to come off as well. And I am right about that too. Man, what a piece of work this thing is. Okay, let me get to 12. Hold on. It's just a problem. I took the other 100. There's a 12. There's a 12 over here. Let me show you how I pull this thing out. And there's a 12 right here. Okay. So there's a 12 up here. There's a 12 right here down there for this guy to come out. Okay. And this needs to come out in order to get this guy out, which I think there's another, yeah, there's another screw right behind here. Almost positive there is. Look at that. If you don't know, now you know. I ran into this problem before, that's why. But what problem? We don't have a problem. Boom. Then this thing should just slide out. Yeah, it's gonna have some clips and stuff to hold, like this guy. Gotta remove this cover. This is gonna be the most work. Is gonna be that, and there's plugs and stuff up in here. Got a nice USB plug up here. Not bad at all. Oh, what else holding it? It's the USB plug that's holding it, okay. Okay, I'm gonna lean it like that. There's your seatbelt, guys. Right here. Gotta pull in the black thing. Oh, let's see. Pull the black thing down. It'll come out 14, 14. And they're gonna be pretty tight. The gun might not be able to take it out. Wow, it did. Pretty impressed. Don't hit on the spark, believe me. Huh? What's that?
I don't care about that.
Then what?
On the lift.
Oh no, he's just buttoning up the bottom of the bumper, that's all. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. New belt that works. Make sure you plug this in, gentlemen. Boom. And then this thing will just fold back up very easily. Okay. Put it back in its spot. Don't fight it. It will go in very easily. There's no reason to fight it at all. Okay. That goes in the spot. Like it's just very. See that? There's no fighting needed for this thing at all. It's just going super easy. Put your clip back in. Put your screw back in. You can see it. Boom. And then you can go ahead and put this back in. Make sure the belt doesn't, belt rides on top like this. So, I think that's just a simple way it goes in. Down there and down there to the spot. So this thing should just go back into the spot. And this 12 goes back down here. Okay, and then I guess this is how this goes. And this cover goes on top, like so. There it goes. May have to order this plastic. It looks like, ow, 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 ow. Looks like from the accident. Right here's warped. Maybe I'll heat it up and bring it back to shape. It looks like it needs to be straight. It's warped out a little bit, so I'll work on that. Alrighty. Go ahead and put the 210s back on this side. These guys. They only go one way. Can't really screw it up, guys. Okay, this side's done. Oh, yeah, the antenna goes in here. Don't forget that. Put this cover. That, and then the screw that goes in there. It's right here. Voila. And then, of course, you get your rubbers. There you go. Okay.